I'm waiting for her approval, or her validation.
That's some of you guys are feeling, I'm just really, really nervous. I'm really, really nervous. Yeah, you're fucking lucky. You're so lucky to be nervous. What would a person give if they could, buried 6 feet underground? A corpse. What would they give just to have one more hour on planet Earth alive? If they could. Just to come back and have one more emotion, one more human emotion. Sadness, terror, anxiety, joy, elation. Just to feel one more emotion. What would they give if they could? Be dead, die now, so that you can enjoy every bit of this.
She was glowing, she was happy.
Baby, are you gone now? Am I on my own now?
Settle into your fear so you can embody a great affirmation.
Tell me I'm supposed to.
And when we feel that everything is okay,
Moments are better than promises.
suddenly it becomes okay.
Back, turn back the hands of time, turn it back and make it change your mind.
Excuse me. You look lovely. I wanted to meet you. I'm waiting for her approval, or her validation.
They say there's two hard things about meditating. One is getting to the cushion, the other is staying there. That's it. Everything else. The same thing with approaching. There's two hard things about approaching. One thing is getting there, right? And that's actually it, just one thing. Getting there and being there. And being there. You don't have to stay there, because that would be a force, but just being there. And for some reason, we think that almost doing it, or starting to do it, or kind of doing it, is actually a place, right? A place of contact. A place of contact is hello, and like I make eye contact. Hello. It's a moment of certainty, right? And not doing it is a place too. It's a place of I am here. Let everything else be where it is. Those are two real places. The middle place is the place of memory. Place of the past. It's a place of comparative mind. Everything that's going on in that moment is an idea, is internal. Excuse me, should I? Sorry, or not even getting in front of her. The reason I say get in front of you is just so that we can have that moment of consciousness meets consciousness. If it's kind of like, excuse me, it's so easy for somebody to not make contact with you and just keep moving. Right? It's about this contact. But the middle point, go.
No, this middle point is because I'm waiting for her approval, or her validation. I think you look cute.
One way when you're hesitant is, can I meet you? Can I get your number? You're saying it with a partial embodiment. You're not fully in your body when you say it. You say it in a way that's kind of just like on the surface of your body and in your mind, like, can I get your number? I'm not fully committed. But if you can speak through all aspects of your body, through all parts of your body, if the voice can run out, not just out of your throat and your mind, but if you can speak from your pelvic floor and your heart, then it's felt and it's clear that I'm here with you now and you're here and I want to meet you. But to really get there and say, come over here. Can I get your number? Truly be here.
So lucky. So lucky. It's just a slight shift of I'm the victim to, oh yeah, here's the fucking routine again. Here we go again. Here we go again. My body's got to take a shit. I'm nervous. I don't know what to do. Here we go again. Like clockwork. And you're the witness. Just be the witness to this magic of life.
Explore that territory. Inhabit that internal space. A very balanced mind.
Feel yourself between my hands. Are you there between my hands?
I feel like I'm feeling this part of my body, but not as a whole. Like not I am my knees, just like I have this knee and I feel that this knee is there.
Okay, so the first thing that you're not trying to do is imagine your idea of yourself inside your knees. And for a woman, traditionally, her sexual trigger is more immersive. A woman is aroused by way of estrogen through contact, through an immersive feeling, whereas a man, being very visual, is like, oh, I want that, testosterone. She's got this predisposition to feeling safe and aroused through immersion. And if you're not immersed in it, and you're on the periphery, excuse me, she's like, no. She has no grounds for stopping.
I see. Yeah, because also like in terms of, I'm wondering like with how much power I should go in, you know? Because on the one hand, I want to be a little bit like disarming, let's say, like being a nice guy. But on the other hand, of course, you want to really make this contact and really say, hey, I'm here to meet you.
That was so beautiful. Getting there and being there. That's all you have to do. Okay? And then everything else will come. All the communication stuff and the language stuff that we're working on, it will come naturally. Just by feeling that you belong. You're at home enough. So that's something we can look at as a term, home. What is this business of being home? And then to look at it in its paradoxical nature as well, stillness as home, and then you have home as reference, or home as relative. And then with the relative, like, oh yeah, this is my room, then we can feel the stillness. And then that changes, like, oh my God, I'm so restless. I gotta go out and meet my friends, and you're like, oh, I needed that beer, and I can settle down and relax. And now there's stillness here again. So the stillness never changes, just like the water never changes. It's always water. So our work is attuning to the stillness all the time. We'll have plenty of time to practice that. Remember, that's the thing, is to find the water despite the waves. Whatever the waves are, still the water. And then at the same time, the relative. Attuning to the relative and responding to the relative. And this relates to calibration and how you talk to somebody, saying the right thing, getting too close, being too far. It's all going on. So the relative and the stillness, the being and the becoming.